Hey guys, welcome to Skyblock, Ep.3. Off camera, I got all the dirt from down there. I'll collect up this grass once it's spread into this big square over here. Still have to fix up this area, but yeah. And peace travel. Alright. So this episode we're gonna build the mob grinder thing. So here we are. So use this. Wait, no, wrong thing. Probably just used all of this to build. Oh, we have that number, right? And I already put out the square so we know where we'd build. But we don't make it 2, so it's even like this. Right, I'm probably gonna move it all the way up. So how far are we gonna go? I guess I'll see how far is a good number. It's a little more, I think. Just a 15 left. Yeah, I guess. Alright, then we have the stat to build the area that they've spawned. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, now we can just break this and then replace. I'll get that later. Alright. Probably just gonna build a basic one for right now, so we can just get out of the way. Okay, and okay, now we're gonna make it a decent size, but not too big. So just alright, shift, make sure it's shifting. Hold it down. So okay, so here's the thing. I have to use blocks because they can't spawn. Alright, so on slabs, so we got 2, so it's going to do 3 out in each direction. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna die. So 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's 6 on 8. 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I don't care, honestly. 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then build it out here. I'm so scared when I'm building up here, just because I feel like I'm gonna die. I feel like I'm gonna fall off. One time my computer had this narration thing, and it turned on randomly, stopped me from watching, and it unshifted me and killed me on one of my unrecorded worlds. That was stupid, right? And then it's gonna be a small one for right now, but I think we can. I'm not gonna unshift yet. Of course, it's that one block. Right, I'm gonna use this to. So, right. So, here we are. Alright. Got that nice spawning platform. So, how much dirt do we have? Alright, we still have 31 dirt, so we can build a tree farm. And then we're done. So, we got a big area up in here. Wow. I think we're doing good. So, I guess, I'll be right back, with more cobblestone. Hey guys, welcome back to, I was doing it, hey, welcome back, just got off that. Pixel almost broken, so, ooh, yeah. Okay. That's a problem. Wait, do we have any wood? We need regular logs. We'll make some charcoal so we can make a torch. Okay, how far? Yeah, I can stand up without shifting. If a spider comes over, we're gone. You know what? Wait. We don't have to extend this. Alright, we'll probably, next episode, we're probably gonna build a house this way. But, so we have one here. So, why did it go so big? Okay, I'm only going to put like 2 in for now. But, okay, I need more. I'll probably do this off camera, get all the wood out of the tree. But this can be like the floating tree of permanent danger. With me and Jordan's names combined. If I know we both used our freaking Xbox names. He started out with his Xbox name, now I'm like, yeah, I should just change my name to my Xbox name instead of my real, instead of Jacob himself, but, nope, okay, get that, throw that in, take about half, then go over here and make a cup, yeah, I think I'll make a crafting table. Okay, that's 12 right there. Right, and pick up charcoal, put on, oh nope, okay, and, okay, I don't know how, wait, nope, I don't want to have my Twitch then. Wait a minute. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, wait, I wish you would have to wait till day though, because of these guys over here. We can kill that spider just from strain. Oh, I thought I just hit a lag. Still have like about 40 frames up there. Wait, too, I can't put anything in that corner right now. So, I guess, oh, I built this uneven, didn't I? 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that happens. So off camera I might add this row in and put dirt. Yeah, okay, I guess. So what are we doing? Oh yeah, we are putting torches down so it lights up. Oh, the area is lit up after freaking how many episodes? 2? Only 2. Alright, I don't feel that bad now. Okay, now I can throw that up there, and that up there. Okay, right, okay. Now I got 24 torches, so. Hey, ooh. Do you think if we kill enough pigmen. Wait, no, we can't, we don't. Blazes might be a problem to get. Yeah, we can't get blazes, so I was gonna say we could cure zombie villages, but we can't. Because we don't have stupid zombie shop. It's making too much noise. I can see it on my what's it called? My sound bar with shows how much sound I might have. Wait, I'm gonna check how long the other video was for that. So you might hear repeated. Right. Cool. I accidentally opened up the video I'm recording, so sorry, I'm gonna take a second here to check how long this is. So I can add in the 20 minutes and stuff. So, you know what, I'll just guess a couple minutes. So we got this. We put a torch right here, lighting up. Right, I'm just gonna place torches in a bunch of places. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. I definitely need to make this. Could I just put slabs over the lava? Do you think? Yeah, I can. I definitely can, cause mob grinders, and I guess this, wait. So I have no idea how long I recorded for the other one. Damn it, I don't think it was that long to fit in, I only built that. So I'm gonna probably do 10 minutes for this clip. I don't know, I'm talking to my phone, huh? Okay, now we have to... It's waiting today, isn't it? We can start building a house, I guess. No, I want to leave that for the next episode, cause... Oh, we're not going for a farm, so here we are. Just go over here, Jacob. Come on, grab that. Okay, 3, 6. How about that? And we might do this. Yeah, right. Oh yeah, but then we have to move the whole farm over one, don't we? You know what? It doesn't matter, honestly. Okay, so wait, nope. Okay, do we do without my phone over here? We just have to wait for this to freaking spread over. Right. So, got a start to the grinder. Oh, can we? If we were to put like a block under this block. Okay, wait a minute. Do my bucket. Right. Grab my bucket. Okay, so what I have to do? If I want to do this, then zombies always right. Like, do you understand what I'm saying? If I can a skeleton see me? I don't think so, but zombies should easily see me and walk over here. I put blocks on it here and then kill the zombie, but you know, oh, it's turning daytime. Good, right. I wish I knew how long I recorded before. I have problem with adding clips and those stuff. Oh, skeleton despawned. Alright, hey buddy. Buddy, move. Go. No one wants to be your friend. Eh. Oh, what do you, right. If we just get a carrot. Oh, let's make a farm. We need, more water though. So we can, we can have a small farm right here, but, oh, alright, good. Right. Now what? It's still zombie for it. Hey, buddy, Ben. Did I knock him off? Okay. Wait, what happened to all my cobblestone? Alright, good. Okay, we're gonna just walk over here and finish off the grinder. Okay. So, I really worked out on a montage though for my 200 subs. It's only a minute, but I only have been doing videos for like 7 months, and I only used 6-second clips from each about each video. So okay. Oh, filling that. This makes me feel a lot safer. Okay. Okay. You know what? Yeah, right. What am I doing? Okay. 1, 2. I'm gonna add slabs off the roof just so nothing spawns. Okay, I guess I need more. But yeah, this will be on for Skyblock Episode 3. If you did enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe. And you know what, just read the next slide.